Hello everyone, welcome to my live streaming. At the beginning of our live streaming, we are going to make a very simple ring. Use the wire 1mm. This ring is a custom order, so we are going to make it now. It's going to be a wire wrapper ring, and we will make it in a size 7. In size 7, so I wrap it at size 7. This is the size 7, so I start to wrap it here. It will be going to, we are going to use 3 pieces of the beads. Okay, fine. 1, 2, 3. It is going to be a ring at the size 7. Okay, so it's this way now. Next, we will going to use the 0.4. Hello, Simon. Hi, T and DR. Happy to see you. We are use 1mm and 0.4 for the wire wrapper. Okay. So the beginning, we cut it here, the small short piece, and we will use these beads. This is the ruby beads. Ruby beads used to making a piece of the nice ring now. Hi, Mary Lucia, happy to see you. So here at the beginning, we are use this wire to wrap the 3 beads on it. Hello, Sabine, happy to see you. Then let's go here, wrap 1, 2, 3. I wrap 3 times at the beginning of the ring. Hi, Isabel. Okay. Then let's put 1 bead first. 1 bead here. The beads at the space of the first space. Here is this way. This one. At the second space, we wrap it. Hi, Christian. May I know what type of wire are you using? I use the round wire in that soft, and it's non-tannish. What do you use to do your ring? It's copper wire, dear. This is the copper wire we use now. It's non-tannish copper wire we use for my ring. And the beads is the ruby beads here. Hi, Cheshik, happy to see you. We are a shop that sell the materials worldwide shipping. We sell the copper wire, we sell the beads. So if any friends are interested in handmade hair, will be a good place for you to learn how to make the jewelry. Thank you. So here we're going to share with you how I use the 2 sides copper wire make this ring. It doesn't rust. If you are first time in my life, you can go to my TikTok page. And now in live streaming is more detailed tutorials. It can be step by step to follow. If you are interested, you can make it together with me. Thank you. This one here, go So here we are make a piece of the ring with 3-piece beads. The beads size is 3 millimeter. The wire size here, the thick one is 1 millimeter, and the wrapper wire is 0.4. 0.4 is equal to 26 gauge. Okay, cut away the extra wire. What is the size of your wire for the ring? You will see it here 1 millimeter and the 0.4. Yeah, 2 sides of the wire here I use. If you want to get the copper wire, later I will be introduce the wire to sell in my live streaming, or I will show you where to get from my web shop. Here first is wrap it like this, and then we test the size again because we are needed to make a size 7. And now here is a little bit big at size 7, so here I will be put it here, and then we are pull the wire, pull it tight, let it stay at size 7. Okay, then let's take from the size stick, and here we left 2 pieces of the wire. We are going to make it straight here. Then hello Mila, happy to see you. Okay, here we're going to fold the piece of the wire here first. We fold the wire. This is a ring that the customer order it. Yeah, normally we shoot the tutorial in live streaming is make the free tutorial. Okay, then you're going to fold it as well. This way here. And after we fold it, we use the plier to fold this part again. And cut. Here. This way. And this one. Here. Tight. So the back is we fold the wire like this. Okay, then tight the sides. Okay, the size now is size 7, and we will be going to lock here at the back so that it's not going to be moved. Hi everyone, welcome to my live streaming. Here is a channel share with you about how to making the jewelry by the beads and the copper wire. Then the back here we are going to use the wire again, 0.4. Let's go into locate the end here. So we are going to wrap it tight, tight. One time, 2 time, and then we can go through here tight. Tight here. It's this way. Hello, Momomi. Hi, Rondia. Happy to see you. Welcome to my live, and if you are first time here in my live streaming, I hope you will get a lot of fun and learn some new way to how to make the jewelry here. Here, go tight. This way. And tight wrapper. Hi, Lori. Happy to see you. Okay. This one. Wrapper. Yeah, this is the way that's to lock the end, make it like this. Yeah, the simple way how to wrap a ring with. Okay, we are going to stop the wave because it's enough. Why to wrap here? It's help to make the ring, the shape more stronger. Hi, Kobe. Nice to meet you. My friends, if you are interested in handmade jewelry, you will find more than 700 free tutorials in my TikTok page. You can check it the tutorial anytime, even I'm not go live. Every day I go live at the same time, and we have the shop that sell the DIY materials, the copper wire, the chain, the beads, the charms that sell in my shop. Okay. So it is size in size 7. It's finished, and so this is the ring that's we got finished. Yeah. So if you are interested in this design, you can try it by yourself. It's wrap first on the ring size band, and then to wrap the beads and fold the wire. Then the last is lock the band. Finally, it come out like this. Okay, next let's going to make another design. Another design